Hello once again, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be how to do a color change. There's various ways to do this change, but this is the simplest and this is what I learned first. Alright, so here we have a swatch in front of us and say we want a color change in the middle of this swatch. Okay, so you would normally be doing your single crochet, your double crochet, or whatever stitch that you're working on. And so here's where the color change is going to happen. You go ahead and bring your 2 loops up. It's very simple. Drop your working yarn, bring in your new color, hold it in the back. Forgive my manicure. Haven't done it yet. Hold it in the back and then proceed to bring the new color through. Yes, it's that simple. Now, there is another way that you can do a color change that's more hidden, okay? And we'll go over that in another video. But that is how to do a color change. Have a great day.